If you've ever peeked behind the curtain at an online travel agency, you know it's basically a tangled mess of money flying from airlines to hotels to car rentals and back again. Sometimes in 5 different currencies before you even finish your morning coffee. Managing all these transactions, it's a headache and a half. But hey, modern payment tech is here to toss us a lifeline. Enter virtual credit cards and B2B payment solutions. These things aren't just buzzwords, they're the secret sauce for OTAs who want to keep their heads above water. Virtual cards are like the Swiss Army knife of B2B payments for travel. Here's why everyone's obsessed. 1. Improved payment security. Virtual cards reduce fraud risk by offering limited-use credentials. Unlike traditional credit cards, virtual cards can be configured with spending limits, specific merchant usage, and expiration dates, drastically lowering the chances of misuse. 2. Automated reconciliation. Each virtual card can be linked to a specific booking or transaction, making reconciliation faster and more accurate. This level of granularity simplifies accounting and enhances operational efficiency. 3. Real-time control and transparency. Virtual card platforms offer real-time dashboards, allowing agencies to monitor spend, adjust payment parameters, and maintain tight control over disbursements. 4th, currency flexibility. Many virtual card providers support multi-currency issuance, which is essential for OTAs dealing with global suppliers. This reduces FX costs and payment friction. PhotonPay Card is a multi-currency card jointly launched by PhotonPay and renowned international card networks and issuers. It covers all online and offline consumption scenarios through Mastercard/Discover Network and Diners Club International. Connect to PhotonPay's global accounts. Spend as much as the balance has. Subject to transactions/balance limits. Multi-currency support lets you use money easily in different currencies, create unique policies for each spend limit, and give more control over every transaction. Automates transaction records, spend alerts, approval reminders, expense reports, and more. PCI DSS Level 1 certification and 3DS 2.0 authentication ensure every transaction. Ready to simplify payments and grow your travel business? You can visit PhotonPay's official site and register today to get started. The link is provided in the description below. If you found this video helpful and want to make your travel agency payments smoother and safer, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.